Just like the rising popularity of mechanical keyboards among typists and gamers for their precision and feel, paint sprayers are becoming essential for homeowners and professionals who want smooth, flawless finishes with less effort. In this guide, we evaluate the best paint sprayers based on power, spray consistency, portability, nozzle design, and overall value. List number 1. Vevor 750 Watt Stand Airless Paint Sprayer. The Vevor 750 Watt Stand Airless Paint Sprayer is a powerful, efficient machine designed for large-scale projects that demand a professional finish. Featuring a robust 750 watt motor, it delivers up to 3,000 psi of spraying pressure, ensuring even coating on walls, fences, decks, and furniture. The airless design eliminates the need for a compressor, providing a steady, smooth spray pattern that reduces overspray and paint waste. Its stainless steel piston pump ensures long-lasting durability and consistent pressure for thick paints and primers. The adjustable pressure control knob allows users to fine-tune the spray output based on the project. The 25-foot high-pressure hose provides excellent reach, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor applications. The Vevor sprayer is also easy to clean, with a self-cleaning function that minimizes clogging and maintenance time.
List number 2. Paint sprayer, 650W cordless with 2 x 4.0 mAh 21-volt battery. The 650W cordless paint sprayer brings portability and convenience to the next level. Equipped with 2 21-volt 4.0 Ah lithium batteries, it allows you to move freely without worrying about cords or outlets. Perfect for outdoor projects, furniture, and fences, this sprayer's 650W high-efficiency motor ensures smooth and even coverage. It includes 3 adjustable spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and circular, and 4 nozzle sizes, making it versatile for a variety of paint types, from latex to sealers and varnishes. The detachable 1,200 milliliter container minimizes refills and is easy to clean after use. Thanks to its lightweight and ergonomic design, users can spray comfortably for extended periods. The flow control knob gives precise control over paint thickness, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned painters.
List number 3. MaxSpray M1 Airless Paint Sprayer. The MaxSpray M1 Airless Paint Sprayer combines professional-grade power with user-friendly operation. It's powered by a durable 7/8 horsepower motor capable of delivering up to 3,000 psi for superior atomization and a smooth, streak-free finish. Ideal for walls, ceilings, and exteriors, this sprayer excels with thicker paints and coatings. The airless system provides consistent paint flow, while the adjustable pressure regulator lets you control spray intensity for different surfaces. A durable metal spray gun and stainless steel pump ensure reliability even under heavy use. Its 25-foot hose gives excellent mobility, and the quick flush cleaning system simplifies maintenance. The compact, stand-mounted design makes it stable yet portable, ideal for contractors or DIYers tackling medium to large painting jobs.
List number 4. Paint sprayer, Cozy Jazz 1200W HVLP. For those seeking precision and efficiency, the Cozy Jazz 1200W HVLP paint sprayer is an outstanding pick. With a massive 1,200 watt motor, it provides strong airflow for fine atomization, resulting in a smooth and even coating across furniture, cabinets, walls, and more. The HVLP, or High Volume Low Pressure design, reduces overspray, saving paint while achieving a high-quality finish. It comes with 5 copper nozzles, 1.0mm to 3.0mm, and 3 spray patterns, giving unmatched versatility for different coatings and surfaces. The large 1,300 milliliter paint container allows uninterrupted work, while the detachable design simplifies cleaning. Its adjustable flow control dial and ergonomic soft grip handle make extended use comfortable and precise.
List number 5. Graco Magnum 2628800X5 Stand Airless Paint Sprayer, Blue. The Graco Magnum X5 Airless Paint Sprayer is a gold standard for serious DIYers and professionals. Featuring a stainless steel piston pump, it delivers up to 3,000 psi, capable of spraying unthinned paint directly from the bucket. This saves time and ensures consistent performance for both large indoor and outdoor projects. The adjustable pressure control lets you fine-tune your spray pattern, while the power flush adapter allows easy cleaning using a garden hose. Its SG2 metal spray gun is built for comfort and durability, with a 515 RAC IV tip that reduces clogging and ensures a flawless finish. The flexible suction tube and 25-foot hose provide excellent reach, and it's compatible with up to 75 feet of hose extension for larger projects.